Hi guys, this is Crowd Investing. Today we're going to talk about can you invest your CPF saving and how to use your CPF saving to do the investment. Okay, before we talk about how to use a CPF to invest, we have to understand that CPF money is the money that for your retirement age. So you have to know that the risk of the investment. So by using the CPF, right, I will say that you need to be extra careful and conservative to by using your CPF money to invest. And then you only invest in the best and stable company. And then the key to success here is not to taking the high risk. The key to success is how you control the risk of using the CPF money to invest. So this is basic information from CPF website. Okay. Currently there is three CPF account: the OA, special account, and retirement account. The OA interest per annual is about 2.5%. The special account is about 4%. So your investment target should be minimum have 4% return and above, because if not, if the return is lower than 4%, then you better put your money in special account and just take the 4% interest a year with no risk at all. So 4% is a minimum requirement that you must achieve. Then on the right, this is the table chart from the CPF website. From here, you can see that in 2020, there is about 41% the people using the CPF actually they are losing the money. Only about 50% is profiting. Yeah, so you can see that it's about half profit, then 9% as break even, and then 41% is actually losing the money. So it's not guaranteed that you use the CPF to invest then you will be profiting at all. Okay, so you have to only invest in the best and stable company in Singapore. So okay, you if you want to use a CPF account to invest, then we call it, this one is a CPF investment shield. It's also called CPF IS. So CPF IS allow you to use your ordinary account and the special account to invest. Okay. So to invest your money in the CPF, right, you have to meet a certain requirement. First is you must at least have 18 years old and not bankrupt before. So this is the requirements. So how to use the CPF ordinary account to invest? So the requirement is you have to be more than 20,000 in your ordinary account. Then you can only invest up to 35% of your investable saving. So I know this is a bit confused, so you have to look at this one. This is a calculations. Let's say your ordinary account have 100k, then you have to less the amount reserved is 20k, so this is the amount that must be inside your ordinary account, so the balance will be 80k. Then another calculation is you have 100k inside, then the 35% of the 100k is 65k. So to invest in to using the money in the ordinary account to invest, right, so in these two calculations the CPF will allow you to take the lowest one. So 80k and 65k, so the CPF will allow you to use 65k to invest only, because 65k is the lowest than the 80k. If you don't know how to do this calculation, no worries, you just log in your CPF account and then the CPF website will auto calculate everything for you. Okay, the third is to open a CPF investment account, you have to use the approved agent. In Singapore, it's only three banks is approved: DBS, OCBC, and UOB. So you can only open the CPF investment account in these three banks. You just simply walk into these three banks, just talk to their customer service and say that you want to open a CPF investment account, then they will help you to do. Okay, so to invest in the CPF investment account, right? So there is a requirement is you can only invest in the company that listed in Singapore. So to find out what stock that can you invest, right, you can just simply go to this link I will put in the comment area. Then you just go through this link, then you can see all the stock that are available for the investment. So most or less this is how you invest by using the ordinary account. So if you want to use your special account to invest, right, is a little bit different. Okay, the special account does not require you to go and open the CPF account in those agents. So you only have to push to the product provider directly to buy or sell your investments. So you can just go to the broker. I think also must be the service provider you can find in the CPF website. Then you can just direct talk to them you want to use your special account to do the investment to buy the stock, then they will help you. So the special account, they require the SGD 40k as a reserve. So the calculation will be as below. Let's say your special account have about 50k, then the reserve amount is 40k. So the amount available for you to do the investment is only 10k. So this special account require the higher amount to reserve in your bank. In your special account. So to as just now I have already mentioned, we only invest in the very good quality and stable company. So what kind of the company in the Singapore is considered a good and stable? So these are the 5 company that so far I see is really stable and big enough. First is OCBC, DBS, and UOB. These 3 is considered as the banking stock. I found that this 3 is a very stable, and then their dividends per year is also more than 4%. I think DBS is about 4.5 right now. OCBC and UOB is about 5% right now. So both are above the minimum 4% that you have to achieve. And then the Capital Mall Trust is the risk company, and also this Parkway Life. Capital Mall Trust is they own a lot of the shopping mall in Singapore. Example, Funan, Raffles City, and Tampines Mall, Bedok Mall. Those the big shopping mall. So they are also paying about 6%, 5 to 6% dividend yield right now. And then the Parkway Life is also a very stable risk that you can consider, but because of this Parkway Life, the price is quite high, so the dividend yield right now is slightly lower than 4%. So you may have to wait for the price to drop, then you can enter this one. Okay, so this is all for today. If you like our video, you can subscribe, and then thank you for now. Bye.